It's my first time doing it, by the way. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. It's my.
Everybody here?
Yeah, everybody seeing, what I'm doing and stuff like that. So, okay, has anything ever went wrong?
Wrong? With me or just in general?
With you?
No.
No? Okay, in general.
I mean, it's like saying go to the dentist and you're like, did anything ever go wrong in the dentist's office?
You right.
You know.
You right. I ain't gonna lie, you right. I just got an MRI for my shoulder. Okay. It's not looking too good. This.
Do you have it with you?
Huh?
Do you have the report with you?
Yeah. So these are the findings right here, and then these are the brief summary. Huh? Is that bad?
No. I just asked what happened. Like, what made you want to go get?
I dislocated my arm 3 times.
What were you doing when it happened?
The first time I was boxing, beating it came out. Second time I was I jumped into a foam pit, and when I jumped into the foam pit, it just came out randomly.
Did you hit it when you landed?
When I jumped in, I think what it was, I was trying to get out the foam pit. I was moving my arm too much and it got out. And then after the third time, a D-block demon came in my room. I had to beat him up. He put on my shoulder too hard, like my friend. He put on my shoulder too hard, and it popped. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what ended up happening. Huh?
Did you win?
Oh yeah, hell yeah, I beat that. Yeah, that's my dog though. Shout out Duke. You feel what I'm saying? But it had to go there, and then it stopped when my shoulder had popped out. You feel what I'm saying? So when it got dislocated, as soon as it got dislocated, that's where it kind of stopped at. So yeah. Okay. Hold on, my mom's calling. Hello.
Hi, Kai.
Hi, Ma.
This is your mother, the one who made you. I want to make sure this lady know what she's doing.
Yes. Okay. Yes, she's a doctor. She's been doing it for 7 years.
And you
hold on.
Her license?
Yeah, she been doing it. She been doing it for 7 years, Ma.
And you checked out her license.
Yes. I wouldn't be going to no. Yes.
And her credentials.
Yes, Ma.
God help you, God. One wrong twist.
I'm trusting her. She knows what she's doing.
Well, now I know your mother in the medical field too, and I'm watching.
Ma, relax. My mom. She's a little overprotective.
I'm watching.
All right.
So I said the more the merrier. Usually I want to start out with, we're going to do a couple of ortho tests and range of motions, okay?
Okay.
So kind of just lets me see where you are. We already know your shoulder's having a little bit of problems. Look all the way up, all the way down to the floor. All right, look over to your left, and then over to your right. Any pain on any of those?
No, not no pains.
Press that on the top of your head and let me know if there's any discomfort, okay?
Okay.
Anything? Sit up straight.
Nope.
Good. Over to the side. A little pressure here? Nothing?
Nope.
Okay, a little bit of here, okay?
Okay.
Anything?
Nah.
Alright, look all the way down to the floor. You're going to look over and then you're going to turn. Anything?
No.
Good. Over. Turn. Anything?
No.
Cross your arms across your chest. Alright, bend forward from here. Bend. Any pain?
No.
Drop this shoulder and turn to me. Anything?
No.
Good. Over to the other side. Yeah? Anything?
No.
Good. Alright, you're going to put both your hands out like trying to make a muscle. Right, relax to unloose it.
Okay, my fault.
Alright, I'm going to pull you right here, okay?
Okay.
Let me know if there's any discomfort in the shoulder.
Okay.
A little bit?
It's not like hurting, but I'm nervous that something gonna happen. That's how uncomfortable.
This is just a test to see if there's any discomfort. That's all it is. Anything here?
Nah, it's about the same. I ain't gonna lie.
All right, I'm gonna try to push him down. Hold him right here. Don't let me with 2 fingers, okay?
Okay.
Hold. Anything?
Nope.
Good. Put your arms out like this. Tuck in your elbows. Yep. Bring him here. I'm gonna try to push him down with 2 fingers. Don't let me. Hold.
Okay.
Good. All right. Everything seems fine enough for us to go ahead and get you adjusted, okay?
Yep.
We're going to take it slow on your shoulder. We're going to work on your shoulder after. I'm going to apply a little CBD cream on your shoulder now so it feels a little
okay, bet. Cool.
Tender here?
I don't feel like
Here?
I don't feel like
Here?
I don't feel like
Anything?
Nope.
Good.
See, okay, where you was at just now, if you kept going, I feel like something would have happened.
You feel like it would have happened, but
I kind of, yeah.
It started getting weak?
It's good right here. Yeah, it started getting weak, yeah.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and lay on your stomach, head there, feet down here.
All right.
And then we'll take your hat off.
Okay.
So when we get done after your adjustment, we can talk about some things you can do for your shoulder also. You ticklish?
Okay. Check, the volume is good, right? I'm just gonna actually check.
Yeah, can you see it?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
How long do you usually record for?
Streaming, I ain't gonna lie, I've been streaming, like, I stream for, like, a regular stream. On average right now, I try to do, like, 10 plus hours.
Okay.
Yesterday, did, like, light little 15 hours, light shit.
Just almost a 2-day shift.
Yeah. And then after, the day before yesterday, I did a 12-hour stream, and then today, I'm gonna see what's going on. Not yesterday, the day before yesterday, chat, my fault. Technically yesterday, though. Whew.
You okay?
Yeah. That's actually a really nice, like, machine.
Thank you.
Yo, chat.
Say what?
Nah, they said this is a nice, little experience, but they never seen me get adjusted, so.
Still bring wellness to your thing. That's what's up.
Oh, that's a little ticklish. Woo! Hey! Where's she from? You said you from Florida, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's from Florida, y'all.
Alright, so this is an activator. Sounds like that,
Oh shit.
but it feels like that.
Okay.
Think you can handle it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm a grown man, so yeah.
Alright, relax your legs. Just relax. Alright, so you got a short right leg.
A what?
A short right leg.
Dang, I knew I'm tall. You see?
Right, you better be.
Oh wait, so after this I could potentially gain height.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Okay.
I see a half an inch in your future.
Okay.
Alright, so with a straight leg, don't bend it at the knee. I want you to lift this leg up off the table.
Don't bend it at the knee.
Yeah, yep, perfect. Alright, back down. And then the other one? Was one more difficult than the other? Try it again. Tighter or a little bit.
I
If
feel
they're
like
even, it's fine.
I feel like the left is easy.
The right one's a little
The
stiff.
right one is like a little tight.
Alright, so you're gonna feel me here, 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 and here.
Okay.
You alright?
Okay, yeah.
Alright, lift this one up.
Oh shit! Oh! Yo! Oh my fucking god! Okay. Alright.
Alright, you good?
Yeah. How does it do that?
Lift this one first.
Yo!
Feel a little better?
I feel like I'm 6 feet.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
There we go. It's much better now. Alright, this bottom piece right here is going to lift about a half of an inch, and you're going to hear a loud noise when it drops, okay? So it's going to feel like that. Right?
Yeah.
And then it's just going to drop. Perfect.
Okay.
Alright, so you can take a deep breath in. A little bit of pressure here, all the way up. One more time. Deep breath in. And out. A little bit of pull here. And a pull here. Alright, now lift this one.
Ooh.
And the other one.
Ooh.
There we go. Very nice, very nice.
Much better.
Alright, lay on this side facing me.
This okay, this one. Okay.
So lift this up. Alright. There. You're gonna bring your whole body closer to me. Then you can drop your phone just a second.
Okay.
You take this on a little bit of a pull. Let me pull it up, maybe. Yeah. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be pushing your lower body to me, and your upper body's gonna go like that.
Okay.
So you're gonna kind of do like a twist.
Okay.
I'm gonna do all the work though.
Okay.
Okay. Hips a little closer to me, a little bit more. Perfect, right there. So drop that shoulder back. Look that way. Look at the camera. Deep breath in. All the way up. One more time. And out. Let everything go.
Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit!
You okay?
Yeah, good.
You
That
good?
felt amazing.
Great.
Yo, nah. What?
Now you gonna flip over. We're gonna do this.
Okay, good. All right.
Give me this arm.
Yep. My fault.
No, you good. Move a little closer. Okay, it's good. Alright. Out. Straighten your bottom leg out. Straighten your bottom leg. Good. Same thing. Alright, you can take a deep breath in. We'll get a lot of people saying something in just a minute. All the way out. Good.
Ooh-wee. Yo.
Now, whenever you're ready, you're gonna lay on your stomach.
Okay. Oh my gosh, man. Yo, hold on, chat. Chat, shit. Yeah. It's starting to crack, y'all. That was crazy.
That's just the beginning.
Okay.
And lift your legs up again.
Oh.
Much better. Alright, so for this one, you're gonna feel some downward pressure. So you'll take a deep breath in, and when you blow all the way out, you'll feel it, okay?
Okay.
Deep breath in. All the way up. One more time. All the way out. Let it go. You ready?
Yeah.
Big head straight back for me. All the way up. You're gonna let it fall. Alright, pressure here and here. Deep breath in. All the way out. Drop your head. Drop it.
Woo! Okay. God damn. Okay. Can y'all hear each other now?
I don't think they can. There ain't a mic over here.
Hold on.
Straight back.
They said they can hear it.
They can.
Yeah.
Alright, get ready for this one. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go.
Oh! Oh my gosh, bro.
When
Yo.
you're ready, lay on your back.
Okay. Oh shit, damn. Oh my god, yeah.
You touch your neck, okay? So just relax. Tender? Good. So drop this air in my hand. There we go. Deep breath in. All the way out. Relax that shoulder. Good. And this one, let it go. Oh, I see the hips. Keep on fighting.
Oh.
Little bit of pull here, okay? Still alive on me?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good.
I'm about to get taller, y'all. Chad, I'm getting taller. I'm getting taller. Oh, yeah. I'm getting taller.
Pop your fingers?
Huh?
Do you pop your fingers?
Oh, yeah, a lot. I ain't gonna lie. A little too much.
When did you hurt your shoulder?
The last time I heard it was about like, Chad, how long ago was that?
Tender?
Nah, good. Probably like a month ago? 2 months ago?
I'm gonna adjust your
Month
shoulder.
and a half?
okay?
You said what?
I'm gonna adjust your shoulder.
Okay.
So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put my hand underneath your shoulder blade.
Okay.
I need this hand to stay right here.
Okay.
Okay? Lean over for me. Lean and drop. Perfect. Just like that. Let that hand fall by your ear. A little bit of pressure. Deep breath in. All the way up. One more time. Deep breath in. All the way up. Let it go. There we go.
Ooh.
Wow, look at that.
Big difference?
You almost touching the floor.
You know what that mean, right?
Mm-hmm.
Getting taller. Oh, man.
Should be able to feel it when you get up.
Okay. I should have measured myself.
Yeah, we should have. You'll be able to feel it when you're walking up. Little resistance all that shoulder there.
Yeah, that's the tricky shoulder.
Mm-hmm. All right. Turn your head that way. Same thing. Roll for me. Go ahead in front of here. that shoulder drop. Deep breath in. Let it go. Good. You have a slight tear in your shoulder.
Yeah.
We're gonna talk about some stuff where you could go and some options that they have.
Yeah, if you know anybody that I gotta check up, if you know any people I could just check in, cause I gotta go. They tell they recommend me going to see a doctor and stuff.
Yeah, there's a couple therapies that you can do that's gonna be really good for you.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna sit up on 3. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna face the camera, okay?
Yeah.
We gotta get this right here.
I feel tall already, y'all.
Scoot a little bit.
I look like a basketball player for real.
Right, definitely. Scoot back. All right, you're gonna interlace your fingers behind your head for me.
Okay.
Behind your head, up here.
Oh.
Yeah. Interlace them.
Huh?
Interlace them. Yeah.
I think you said registration and license. I thought you was arresting me. You know what they say? If you can make them laugh and giggle.
I'm gonna put my arms right through here, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, fall back on me. Oh, big stretch, okay? Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Alright, one more time. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let everything go. Look up for me, look up. There we go. You alive?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You're funny. Go and sit right there.
You think I'm funny?
Yeah, I think you're funny. That's the whole idea, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna adjust your ears.
Okay.
Go and take the earrings out for me.
I gotta take these out? Yo, I feel tall. Yo, Jay, y'all see a difference? I ain't gonna lie. I used to fit in the frame. I don't fit in the frame no more. I'm taller. Yeah, they say he taller. Look. Yo. Yo, man. You feel what I'm saying? You want me to tie my hair up?
No, you're fine.
Okay.
Sit up straight.
Yeah, I don't be sitting up straight. That's my problem.
Especially on the computer.
Yeah.
You have headaches?
Do I have headaches? Not often.
Okay, good. Alright, let your head fall towards me. Let it fall. Alright. There we go.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
Ear infections?
Yeah, I had a lot of them growing up.
Getting adjusted, getting your ears adjusted and upper back adjusted helps with that a lot, especially with babies. Let your head fall towards me. Let it fall. Just let it fall. Let it go. Because you anticipate it now. There we go.
Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee.
So I'm gonna check and make sure we got everything.
Okay.
Nice. Stand up, walk around, and see what we got.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I feel a lot better, like loose. That's what I feel like. I ain't gonna lie. I feel a lot better. You know, a lot more. You know, I got some, you know, I got some height on me now, you feel me? So things are a little different now, so.
You're
Yeah.
not gonna start flipping or nothing.
Yeah. Nah, I ain't gonna flip. That's Duke job. That's Duke. He do the flipping. You feel me? Woo, wait, hold on. Yeah, I feel a lot better. Like before, like I ain't gonna lie, chat. I don't know if it's just me. Did I always not fit in the frame like this? Cause I ain't gonna lie. Before I could have sworn I was like right here. I'd have gained like 3 inches on me.
3.5, 3 1/4.
3.5 feet.